What are you all hot wired on? Something up there? Probably a fox. Let's hope the fox doesn't come underneath these trees. And no, I did not stage these. These are legit. In all honesty, this is probably not a great place to be standing in retrospect. That's something. Yikes. Yeah. Okay. These are down. And it looks like some birch trees are down. Some pines are down. Give my neighbor a buzz and let him know his dead trees finally gave up the ghost. Wowzers. That's quite a mess. This driveway's a little bit on the block side. What do you think, Ted? Just want to check the back side of this place and make sure there's nothing down in the house itself. I don't think so. There's nothing that can really reach it. No. Fine there. That was already cut before. That didn't fall. What's up, Ted? Some of this stuff. Like this one here, that's old. But that right there, that's new. That had just fallen down. That's wowzers. And this one's new. Alright, Ted, man. You ready? I'll let Jimmy know. Look at that. Wowzers. Hate to have been out here when that happened. Little sky spears coming down and landing right on top of your head. And of course this one fell during the winter. So this one we knew about, but the rest of them are all new. What do you think, Ted? Wow. Looks like the culvert emptied itself. Look at that over there. Somebody living in there? Somebody in there, man? I think that just blew up from the storm. That culvert gets plugged up every once in a while. It catches all the runoff. That stuff sometimes goes underneath and blocks it up. So, I guess that's flowing again. What do you think, Ted? Let's do this. Oh, this is down a little lower now. Nothing else across the road. Oh, we did pretty good. The wind was pretty bad. We had quite the windstorm here. Had a tree fall down in the pasture. It was already down, but it fell down farther. It was leaning, but it was a widowmaker, and I wasn't going to mess with it. I just figured it was either going to fall into the pasture and total my fence, or it was going to fall outside and not do anything. So it kind of did half and half. Sorry if this wind is blowing your way, but yeah. Other than that, we didn't do too bad. Up in Vermont, they had a lot of power outages because I guess they had trees up in Rutland that went right across the road. Well, this isn't too bad, right, Ted? Sorry, man, didn't catch you taking a leak there. That was kind of rude of me, buddy. Kind of rude. So, like, if this is the biggest tree that we have fallen here on the road, I think that's going to be okay. Problem solved.